Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And in this video we are going to talk about how you can export data in ClickUp, and it will be a quick complete tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get it started. So here actually you can see we have couple of data over that place. If you click to the view, you will get couple of more options. Like here you can see the dashboard options, then you can see as a list option. So here we have couple of options to saw it. So how we can export the data? So there is no options here to export things manually. So how we can do it? So from that place you can see we have task 1 and task 2. Here you just need to be click over here, customize. Once you click over here, then you will get couple of options. In this option in the bottom you will find out export view option. So here you just need to be select this one. Once you select over that place what to export, you will get this one. Like I want to export visible columns. If you want task name only, you can export only the task name. So I want to export all this thing, then the file format will be Excel for me, and then just click to the download. Once I click over here, you can actually see we will export as soon as it's ready, and it already been received. Let's open this one and let's see actual result over that place. So our Excel file already been open, and here eventually you can see the logo of ClickUp and the project we have. This is the task ID, the task names we get, then the assign also get, and the status date, all the things we already get from the ClickUp. Here you can see this one. So this is the easiest way to export any file here easily. I hope you understand how easy the process was to export anything in your local computer. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.